Join me as I take on the challenge of planting garlic using some wild hacks to see if I can grow the biggest bulb ever. When it comes to planting garlic, most of us are after one thing: growing those massive, juicy bulbs that will make our dishes taste amazing. And the good news is, a few simple hacks you can do just that. But before we dive into those hacks, let's talk about why they're so important. You see, growing huge garlic bulb isn't just about bragging, right? It's also about getting most flavor and nutrition out of your crops. Many gardeners struggle to grow their garlic in full potential due to poor soil quality and incorrect planting techniques. One common mistake is planting at the wrong depth. Planting your garlic cloves about 2 to 3 inch deep, pointed ends up, and then space them 6 to 4 inch apart, depend on the variety. Planting them too shallow or too deep can stunt their growth. Timing is everything. The best time to plant garlic is in fall, about 6 to 8 weeks before the first frost. This gives the roots a chance to establish before winter sets in. Spring planting is possible, but won't yield those large bulbs that you are looking for. Soil preparation is key. Garlic loves soil rich in organic matter. I mix in warm casting and top with 2 to 3 inch of compost to provide a nutrient-rich environment. Top dressing with compost or manure after planting help to provide steady supplies of nutrients throughout the growing season. This simple technique can result in bulbs up to 50% larger. Don't forget to mulch around your garlic plants to prevent weeds from stealing their nutrients. This helps retain moisture and keeps the soil cool when it's hot in the summer and keeps the soil warm when it's cool in the winter. Choosing the right garlic type for your climate is crucial. Soft neck garlic is better suited for mild climates and has a longer shelf life, making it great for storage. Hardneck garlic, on the other hand, thrives in the colder climates and it's known for its strong flavor and larger cloves. For truly massive bulbs, try glowing elephant garlic. Space them 6 to 8 inch apart and keeps on the compost and manure. You'll be amazed at the size. In this video, we cover some amazing hacks for growing huge garlic bulbs, for soil preparation to timing and spacing. These tips can make a big difference in your harvest.